Welcome back to Thought Control. 2021 is almost here. A bunch of vaccines are cleared for administration, and humanity is finally on the offensive against COVID 19. It looks like it is the beginning of end of the pandemic. A new mutation of COVID 19 that appears to be more contagious and genetically distinct from its other variants has been identified in the UK. So, in today's video, we'll look at the evidence and answer some of the questions circling around your mind. Is this variant more dangerous? Does it really spread faster? And can this mutant virus resist the vaccine? Viruses are simple organisms made up of DNA or RNA contained within a protein shell. And an organism's complete set of DNA or RNA is known as its genome or genetic code. Any changes in the genetic sequence of the genome or in the elements of the code results in what we call a mutation. Now, viruses mutate all the time as they replicate. D614G, which emerged in the Europe in February, is dominant variant of COVID that has spread across the world. Coronavirus is a RNA virus, and a RNA virus, as it makes copies of itself, doesn't always replicate the same genetic code, resulting in relatively faster and more varied mutations. Since its initial outbreak, COVID-19 has gone through nearly 4,000 mutations, but till now, none of those mutations seemed significant enough to make a difference in the virus's behavior, in or outside our bodies. The new variant came to the attention of researchers in December, when it began to turn up more frequently in samples from parts of southern England. In London, around half the new cases from September to November were from this new mutated virus. By December, this was two-thirds. In Africa, around 90% of cases since mid-November have involved the new variant. Evidence also shows that infection rates in areas where this particular strain has been circulating have increased faster than expected. Modeling through this data suggests that the new mutant virus has a higher transmission rate. According to the Health Secretary of UK, the mutated virus is almost 70% more infectious, but is the virus really behaving any different? It's important to remember that this figure of 70% has not come from a lab, but only through modeling. A virus variant becoming more common is not proof that it spreads faster than others. Human behavior can very well be a deciding factor here. As the lockdown restrictions have eased down, people have started being more careless. Humans are simple creatures. As soon as we just see that none of the people we personally know are infected, we tend to become more irresponsible. But still, to confirm if the variant truly is more contagious, researchers are now running lab experiments on it, observing up close how it infects the cell. Early lab experiments appear to show that it can infect a human being faster, resulting in faster transmission of the virus. But currently, there is insufficient data for us to be able to draw any conclusion. Researchers have already used such experiments to investigate a mutant that arose earlier in the pandemic, called 614G. That variant had also proved to be more transmissible than its predecessor. But discipline containment measures work just as well against 614G as with other mutation of the virus. The same is likely true for the new strain. Now, is the new strain more dangerous? There is no evidence that new strain can be more dangerous or resist existing vaccine. Experts think that it would take years, not months, for the virus to evolve enough to render the current vaccine impotent. Even viruses like influenza, which mutates relatively faster than other viruses, need 5 to 7 years to collect enough mutation to escape vaccine immunization. Common cold coronavirus also evolved to escape immune detection. But over many years, scientists routinely monitor mutation in flu viruses in order to update vaccines. And if needed, they could do the same for COVID. Just like flu, you could be getting yearly COVID shots. But from what the data shows for now, the biology, diagnostic and treatment even for the new strain remains unchanged. But as lab experiments are waited, do we really want to wait for weeks or months? Probably not. While we should not panic, taking precautions is necessary. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any feedback, please let us know in the comment section below. And please don't forget to share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye, tata, hasta la vista, we'll meet soon. दबा बटन दबा जल्दी वो बंद हो जाएगा बटन दबा पहले बटन दबा टेकिंग प्रिकॉशंस इज नेसेसरी एज सून एज
हाँ क्या हुआ आपका as soon as
तेरे सपनों में नाराजी